I'm Magnus Best Test. Here we go. We got a signal from my indicator. Let me quickly get into the trade. I pressed S and X button. Right after that, we are in the trade. I had to adjust quickly the stop loss because that's how it gets calculated. And just like this, I open another trade just to have a bigger position. Stop loss like this, take profit. Let's put it here. Okay, so far this is how I like it. Stop loss pretty tight. 1 minute looking good as well. Okay, so let's just see how it develops. I will make another video later, but so far the signal from my indicator looks very nicely. Even when you zoom in, beautiful structures according to my VIP rules. I got a nice alert, so this is how I like trading to be. Okay, the settings. Okay, the partials are gonna be taken at 50 at 1:1. Let me just move the stop loss like this. It's okay, more or less. Yeah, okay. Nice risk to reward ratio here, 1:1. 50% will be taken out partials, and then the stop loss will be automatically moved to break even with 1 pip lock in. This is how I set it up in my indicator. Why do I say indicator? It's expert advisor. This is expert advisor that comes with my indicator for TradingView, and actually you can even get it alone without my indicator for a lower price on my website. Okay, moving in the correct direction. Drop, nice. It's a little bit slower than 5-second charts, 60 times slower. Still pretty good. We are in profits in both positions. That's what we like. This is how it should be. Nice, no problem, no stress trading. Just get alerted like that, then open the MT4 or MT5, which one you prefer, and then just use my expert advisor to enter the trade with just 2 clicks or 2 presses of a button. No click, just press S, the button S, because we are selling, and then button X to execute that prepared trade with the stop loss and take profit already in place. All calculated automatically, lot size exactly how you wanted it, how you set it up. 1% risk to reward is the default. 1% risking is default, and then just actually very needed for every trader to be entering always with the same risk, and so that when you lose or when you win, you always win or lose the same amount. I don't know how many people don't realize how important this fact is. Okay, let me just wait a little bit more. I will just probably stop it here and then come again later. Always speed it up. Yeah. We are approaching the 1:1 risk to reward level, and it will automatically take off 50%. Yes, there you have it. Now you see 8 lots in the game, and I will actually change it so that it takes 50% of both trades that are open. But here you can see of the one, it took off 50%, so now we have just another 8 lots in the game, continuing very nicely. So we secured some profits, and also automatically the stop loss was moved to break even so far on just 1 trade, because the other one is still running in full position because I opened it a little bit later. And now guys, let me show you. I press Shift O, and now we can see both positions got half closed. So now the first one is 4, it was the other one, so here we have 4 left. And I'm pretty sure the trade will continue down, but just for demonstration I will press Shift P to close everything. Now you can see very nicely closed there as well. So there you have it guys, beautiful trade from my indicator on trading view. Nice pips, nice risk to reward. Stop loss around, it was like here. Let's go, guys. We have another trade, this time the reversal signal from my indicator, and I immediately entered thanks to my expert advisor. Very quick execution possibility, just pressed B and then X and we are in a trade. I just also, of course, I adjusted the stop loss below the low. I could have done it even a little bit higher, but no problem. So it's risking 1% to this level where the stop loss is right now, and let's see how the trade develops. Yeah, I will come back to the chart a little later. I'm back. Look at that nice pump, and now we are at the level where it's gonna be 50% taken off. Wait, 1-to-1 now. There you have it, 1-to-1. Automatically my script took off 50% and stop loss to break even. Okay, in the history you can see it was taken out 50%. We are still about oh okay, 5.9 lots in. And let me see higher time frames where I want to take it to. It can go a little bit over here and then probably reverse against, but we are safe here. So yeah, we'll see. I will get back to the chart a little bit later again. But this is very nice. Like, we have two nice trades back to back right from my indicator. Risk to reward already at least 1-to-1. It would have been better if I just jumped right at the signal and with a good spread, with a good broker. So make sure you check out the description of this video for my favorite broker with tight spreads. Here we have the first breakout signal. This was breakout, and here we have the reversal signal, my new signal. It's still not published. The indicator is still not updated on the platform, but it will be soon. Beautiful risk to reward, and it will continue, I think, just a little bit more. I'll get back to the chart later to show you how the price developed. And here we go, pump continues. Let me just take off half of the position by pressing Shift O. We don't need to be waiting for the line to cross the take profit line. There you have it, 3 positions left. And now, like, okay, this small position, we have still 16. Okay, so this one, just 3 lots, small position. It's pretty safe to continue. I will not touch it. The break-even stop loss is better to be a little bit higher, so that we actually, if it returns, if it reverses, we have a little bit more than just break-even. So we secured even profits on this one last position in case it doesn't reach the final destination. Yeah, already very nice profits. This is a perfect execution. Almost, of course, we have a bad broker here with wide spread, but and also I got to the trade later, but everything else is perfect. 2 trades back to back. I just got alerted and then jumped to the trade. 1 minute, pretty good looking, beautiful trade. Okay, so let me just get back to you after a few, I don't know, hour or so. So guys, look at it. Could it be more sniperish? Here we had a 1 signal from my indicator, beautiful. It was the breakout signal, and then here my new reversal signal. It's still not public. The indicator is not updated so far, but it's gonna be pretty soon. So guys, I'll let you know also in the VIP channel about the changes, because there were actually more changes, especially in the expert advisor for the MT4 and MT5. But let's just return to these trades, to these 2 trades. So basically the first one was here, stop loss very tight over here, nice profit. And then this is the reversal. Of course, spread here is completely horrible. In the description I share my favorite broker with the best spreads. It should be not 26, 27, it should be 9. So basically you can imagine 3 times less 2-3 times less in general. So it should be around 8 pips normally with a good broker. And that would be, this should have been our entry in the trade and not here. Okay, and then beautiful trade. I had a 1-to-1 break-even stop loss setup. So basically when it reached 1-to-1, the stop loss was moved to break even automatically, and also I have it now set up that 50% of the position is gonna be taken out to secure some profits. This is true. Also breaking stop loss true. And here when I came to the chart, I just took out another 50%. I just pressed Shift O. This is another feature of my expert advisor. So then you can see it here. It was okay, now because this is MT5, you don't see all those little trades. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.